Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today. Today, the cryptocurrency market saw a modest increase in prices. Bitcoin, BTC, rose 0.28% to 21,351.5 USDT, Ethereum, ETH, rose 0.21% to 1,590.39 USDT, and Binance Coin, BNB, rose 0.8% to 302.9 USDT. These gains indicate a positive overall outlook for the market, with traders and investors continuing to show confidence in the space. Latest news. EU Finance Ministers Group wants digital euro to offer privacy. The Eurogroup, a group of finance ministers within the European Union, has held regular discussions on the subject of a central bank digital currency, CBDC, and have concluded that it should provide privacy as well as transparency. They believe the CBDC could be beneficial for citizens and businesses, and must be safe, resilient, and easy to use. The Eurogroup is also looking at the environmental consequences of the digital euro design and ensuring it abides by policies such as preventing money laundering and tax evasion. The digital euro should complement, not replace, cash and allow euro area users to access central bank money in times of increased digitalization in payments. A proposal to introduce the digital euro and set up its main features will be put forward by the European Commission in the first half of this year. Polygon completes hard fork to reduce gas fee spikes, Disruptive Reorgs. Polygon Labs, the lead company behind the Ethereum scaling project Polygon, has successfully completed a hard fork designed to reduce instances of spiking gas fees and disruptive chain reorganizations. The software upgrade was approved by 87% of Polygon validator teams, and included adjustments to the gas fee mechanism to keep prices low when there is a lot of activity on the network, as well as reducing the amount of time it takes to finalize data blocks. Following the upgrade, the price of Polygon's native token, Matic, has increased by 15%. Thailand's SEC issues new regulations for crypto custodians. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, of Thailand has introduced a new set of regulations for digital asset service providers in the country, as part of an effort to provide better consumer protection. The regulations require companies operating in the digital asset space to establish a digital wallet management system and a contingency plan to prepare for any event that may put their digital wallets and keys in jeopardy. All crypto custodians operating in Thailand will have to comply with the new regulations within 6 months. These stricter regulations are part of the Thai SEC's response to FTX's collapse last year, and are part of the regulators' ramped-up efforts to regulate the crypto industry. Crypto developers grew in numbers amid bear market, VC firm Electric Capital says. Despite a crypto winter in 2022, the blockchain, crypto, and Web3 developer ecosystems continue to grow. According to a new report from Electric Capital, a crypto venture capital firm, there was an 8% increase in year-to-year growth in full-time developers, and an all-time high of roughly 61,000 developers that committed code for the first time. Alternative ecosystems to Bitcoin and Ethereum are growing fast, and most developers are working on building these new emerging ecosystems. This is a sign that developers are experimenting with new technologies and building environments that are becoming essential in the crypto industry. South Korea launches Metaverse Replica of Seoul. South Korea is launching Metaverse Seoul, a virtual replica of the city, with the goal of improving public services. Citizens will be able to use avatars to access tax questions, youth counseling, small business support, and e-books in the initial stage. The virtual world will expand to include real estate and foreign investor services, augmented reality, and blockchain technologies such as cryptocurrency. The nation is investing $200 million to fund metaverse projects as part of its Digital New Deal initiative. Japan is also investing in non-fungible tokens and metaverse services. This is a major step forward for both countries in the metaverse space. Solana Foundation, Ripple, GBBC and others form partnership to promote crypto solutions for climate change. Solana Foundation, Ripple, and the Global Blockchain Business Council, GBBC, have partnered to form the Blockchain X Climate Leadership Network, BXC, a non-governmental organization dedicated to accelerating the use of crypto-based solutions for climate change. BXC's launch was announced at GBBC's gathering at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, and is supported by environmentally oriented Layer 1 blockchain Regen Network, Association Climate Collective, Eco Networks, and other major crypto and environmental organizations. BXC will be focused on creating new economies that don't harm the environment, as well as carbon credit measurements, principles of cooperation, best practices, and business cases for climate crypto projects. Co-founder of Twitter funds Bitcoin education in El Salvador. Today, Jack Dorsey, the co-founder and former CEO of Twitter, made his first act of crypto philanthropy by donating 0.26 Bitcoin, BTC, to an educational organization based in El Salvador. Mi Primer Bitcoin, which translates to My First Bitcoin, offers free Bitcoin education in the Central American nation. Dorsey's donation of $6,000 came in response to a request from one of the organization's node operators on Nostr, a decentralized messaging protocol. This is not the first time Dorsey has supported Bitcoin and its development, as he has also donated 14 BTC worth $250,000 to Nostr and collaborated with Jay-Z to launch the Bitcoin Academy in Brooklyn, New York. Today's donation of 0.26 BTC is another example of Dorsey's commitment to Bitcoin education and decentralization. Neowiz Holdings expands blockchain business potential in UAE with new corporation. Neowiz Holdings, a well-known game company in South Korea, recently established a local corporation in Abu Dhabi, UAE dedicated to the blockchain business. The CEO of Neowiz is visiting Abu Dhabi as part of a Korean UAE economic delegation to seek cooperation with local government agencies and companies in the blockchain business. Neowiz Holdings is targeting the global market with their Neopen blockchain open platform, and they are focusing on the Middle East region as a bridgehead. The UAE is focusing on revitalizing the global blockchain industry, and is becoming a base for global IT companies to enter the Middle East. Neowiz Holdings is looking to capitalize on this opportunity and is expecting visible results soon. Thank you for watching today. Wishing you all the best in your cryptocurrency investments. May you have success and make lots of money.